Alright, so we're in the spare Vortex part stash here. Let's see what these parts look like, where the bearings are, and all this stuff a little closer. Alright, so here's a little Vortec pile for you. This is the old blown engine off of that abandoned Chevy Avalanche. So I'm going to show y'all some of these pulleys. Man, we got some good stuff in here. I've been getting off of these wires, you know, old split loom and stuff, fixing stuff up. We got the old headers here. But here's what we're after, these pulleys. So here's that water pump pulley right here. It's just a big metal pulley. And everybody says, pulley, 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 pulley. The pulley's just a metal or plastic piece. It's the bearings is what causes all the problems and noise. So you can see this one's in good shape. Right here, let's take a look at this. Look at that. That is off of the power steering pump. See, there's no bearings in there, none. It just slides on the shaft, and then you have the bearings on the back of the shaft. So here's the power steering pump right here. You can see that bearing right there on the end of the shaft, and there's another one inside there. But there's that bearing that goes bad right there. That pulley just slips right on the shaft. And here's another one right down here. All right, so here's that tensioner pulley right there. Look at that. That one is bad. Completely bad. Look, it's not spinning at all. It's literally can't spin. So this one's bad. Then we have the crankshaft pulley down here. Here we go. Here's a good fine AC compressor. So yeah, those bearings, they feel tight. They're good. See that pulley spinning? No problems, no noise, no nothing. All right, what else we got in here? Here we go. Yep. That's that idler. He always goes bad, man. See, look at that, listen. Hold on, I'll get a close up. Yeah, man, that's bad. When y'all hear nee like that, that's the sound it makes. It's making that sound. Bearings are bad. Here we go. This one's gonna be bad, I bet you. Oh yeah. It's the AC tensioner pulley right there. That one's really important too. These go bad all the time, just like I said. 1, 2, 3. Drop me a huge thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy tips in the future. I got plenty more where this came from. Later.